Hello students, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, that's Akifa's Commerce Classes. So in today's session, we'll solve problem number 3 on trial balance. So from the following ledger balances of Mr. Pradeep prepared a trial balance as on 31st March 2017. Okay, so as usual, let's start with identifying which account will be on the debit side and on the credit side. So we should first know that expenses and asset on debit side. So let's start. We know that capital is a liability, therefore it will be on the credit side. Okay, then we have drawings. Drawings is an expense, debit side. Opening stock is an asset, debit side. Bills receivable again is an asset, so debit side. Then we have salary. Salary is an expense, so debit side. Debtors, asset, debit side. Creditors is a liability, so it will be on the credit side. Next we have purchases. Purchases is a nominal account, again it will be on the debit side. Sales on the credit side. See, purchase is on the debit side, so purchase return will be on the credit side. Sales is on credit side, so sales return is on the debit side. This is how you should remember. Okay, then next we have carriage. Carriage again is an expense, so we have recorded on the debit side. Furniture is an asset, so debit side. Rent, wages, insurance, all these three are expenses to us, so it will be on the debit side. Next we have is our discount received. Okay, so discount received is an income to us, therefore where we'll record it? We'll record it on the credit side. Then we have postage. So postage expenses, we have to remember that they are indirect expenses, so debit side. Cash in hand, machine, they are all assets, so debit and debit. And print and stationery is an expense, so again it will be on the debit side. See, this is how first you need to mark the accounts according to where they will come, whether it is on the debit side or on the credit side. Okay, so after doing this step, what you have to do is you have to start solving your sum, and based on the markings that you have made, just put it them on the debit side or the credit side. Okay, so students, here as you all can see that I have recorded all the amounts on the debit and the credit side as they appear. Okay, so we have prepared it in this format, that is particulars, LF, debit and credit. So all those items which come on the debit side, put them on the debit side, and all those which come on the credit side, you put them on the credit side. You can fill in the places by just marking or putting a dash on the sides where no amount has been written. Alright, so after doing this, what you need to do is you need to then total up both the sides, and it is important that both the sides should tally. So in my case, I am getting 4,68,400 on the debit and the credit side. Okay, it means that my sum is correct. So this is how you are supposed to solve problems on trial balance. So I hope that you all have understood how you should go about in solving problems on trial balance. So this is a very easy topic and a very scoring topic as well. So please pay more attention to this topic, as it is very easy and you all will understand it only if you solve it even once. Okay, you just have to have the clarity of identifying the different accounts, whether it is a capital, whether it is liability, expense, asset, or whether it is a revenue. Okay, so this is all for today. So in today's session, we covered one problem, it is problem number 3, wherein I showed you all how you're supposed to classify or mark the different accounts on the basis of debit or credit side. Okay, so I hope that you all understood how to solve the problems on trial balance. If there are any questions, then please ask me through the comment section. Also, if you liked my today's video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.